we guide you through how to highlight an object in CapCut. So the first thing you need to do is to open your CapCut and create a new project, then import the video you want to edit. Tap on the clip in the timeline and move the playhead to the movement where you want the highlight effect to appear. Next, go to Overlay and add a shape, sticker, or effect that you want to use as the highlight. Resize the position it over the object you want the viewers to focus on. If the object is moving, select the overlay and use keyframes to make the highlight follow the object throughout the clip. You can also adjust the color, opacity, and animation to make the highlight stand out more. For a cleaner look, try using a circle, arrow, or glow effect around the object. Review your video to make sure the highlight stays aligned correctly, then make any final adjustment if needed. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap Export, choose a preferred resolution and frame rate, and save the video to your device.